Ni kalau saya coba pelan. Kena kata wakilnya penlek kaya kata off-road trophy. Sayang. Good look. Itu lah betang. How do you feel about the terrain?
It's hard also, it's easy also. This part of the game.
Okay. Godspeed everybody, okay? Thank you guys. Thanks for coming. Di shop kasangan ni video chat aku awan kublai Happy New Year pisia bro khat Happy 2026 di mantah kani kasni kabakret tam madan sini support lain lingkar mantah baik ni asa hang ni je ngi adan nya kan ka event ka off-road trophy nga dei ban pe ya ka bam ka di tinga pe kam lang ba kini sia ki baya they member jangan ni ka Motorsports Club of Meghalaya tekan ka Motorsports Club of Meghalaya ka dei ka club ka bakasit organize kini ki motorsports event ka kreat plan te lagi kena ki jong ini ba community hiking nak kamar kersi ani ni kena voice dah ni kita wajib Roti peleng mana kasta? Roti peleng ke salah biang? Mana kasta? Kakak lasai. Dari kipan kat saya dapat sibet.
Lebet.
Kelas saya tu bat में देखेगा है ना? Tapi tu ngapai ya kapam kiti bayar pay kamlang mat nga. Ni kalau saya coba pelan. Kena kata wakilnya penlek kaya kata off-road trophy. Hey, good morning. Morning. Siap ba? Morning. Ni kalau sepejak leh sini teh. Ni kita lagi kamlong tak nyat. Kini ya. Tama ka nakam sini minta nakam tuna. Ni pergi ti kilo. Nanti pin itu ni anak ni ke kamera tang ban rai. Kata kalau setiap ilawan ni maka kamlong kenja grey kendian kita sudah kan ni kadi ke platform. Baik. Tanya. Kan ni kadi ke platform bakenya bu. Nanti tama kan ni kadi ke kenja office tu. Bakanya keren, bakanya sna, bakanya penbiang ki jingya penya tu berkhai tiki members berkhai kan ka platform so ya ipe ya kan video hadu dokot nama apa off-road challenge off-road trophy 2.0 is getting started more. Before the actual game begins, this is how it's looking right now. This is the place, like the main place, the gathering point for all the crowds and all the participants and everything. The stage and the playing station is here. Playing area. All these they na po Thrills Fun Park. Kini borok height na Thrills Fun Park. Ji, ang tirang nan briefing. Ang try kita di semi modified. Yes. Kini ang registration. No biang kan? Biang. Registration going on. Dia gini I shirt dia kini participants shirt Motorsports Club of Meghalaya. Hendak ngasuk I glimpse sipis ya. Dia kini ki break belawan man report hani kemadan. Oi. Oi.
La keempat yaki participant zong ke pro modified kategori bakit lit no sate kebat bayang ke recovery van kenang banyu sedang no yak stage.
Ni kan directorate. Director. Sokan yang event. Ai, lungrit. Ya no, mantang ini picture video kategori you. Modified ini bak Philip. Hey. Shape semi modified.
Stay.
Kini dekat line up jongki modified, semi modified. Pika sih kini ya. Kami yang shit kini try. Meleleh. Bro. Yo ni jumping baik. Start dulu kan. Oh, mau U-turn ah?
Sorry, angkut. Di tempat.
Oh, like that. Nanti saya ada kepenan lain saya buat lagi. Look at the suspension, bro. Hãy ya. Tôi hỏi Tôi tersakut. Hanya sobek dia. Why is he doing that, bro? Dayak bedang ikop lah mah. Bang suang mangi ke? Hah? It's 3 minutes already. Timing ni dekat biang mah. Might have the accuracy. Oi bahan angle. Bahan angle am. Ketak sekasngi het nya. Ni het show fotografer. Oi bahan. Ni bro. This angle is dope. Kali ni joki stock. Epek sama. Tak bayar apa keluar. Ni dalam side inspection. Mesti kena epek dengan check. Arkin. Pihak nombor kat no.
Mantap.
7. Rigan. Lah ready Rigan. Cia sibet. Kini kadi ka stock, kadi ka gym ni kalau sakut ani kendok nom tai. Hàng tê kìa, hàng tê kìa, hàng tê kìa, hàng tê kìa. Ấy à, ấy à. Cái isuk vô nang tê đây. Cái iya tang nang ni đây. Compromise, adapt, overcome chứ nào. Undisputed bro. Oi, lihat kha nyam dian. Yes bro. Yeah bro, no problem bro. Okay. Dah. Oh, ai sendiri, ai sendiri. Ai biang, ai biang. Lom. Damn. Oh, boy. Makalam. There is nothing. Ya. Nak pedang. Oh, kau tidak tahu lah ya. Tias. Baik. Kalau bahag tahu na, orang lain bahag gypsy na. Four wheel switch kia, nak kia. Oh, kalau mau jai deh. Damn bro. Dah. Oh, kata dia asap. These guys are from outside. I mean, Nashabar Meghalaya. Dia stock category, and these guys are doing their thing. Mentah ke program kadang ya chat. Ngada begini kena edit kalau lingkot. Medi kana lingkot dam. Demam day na. Day am. Day kana lingkot. Day. Dia ngada begini kena edit hang ni. Teman tangan IT no ni ke kamera kini kena red.
Hello kamera 1.
Kamera 1, kamera 2.
Kamera 3.
Pasal lagi mong. Banti. Bye.
Mute Irbi.
Bu, ni sama Nanti sama.
Iyalah Cong. Masak siapa?
Slow. Keren ka stage sang thia trong ki pro. Bây ki pro sang thia. Dia pat. Nah, try tip semi modify dang dan akut na. Mari wood che bani lorni che. Yo pen ibiang video official. Yang ni mentah kidan komba maybe total 6 contestants mentah hang ni akan ni ke stage. Tengok tip ni ke stage yang ni. Hey. Kan ni ke stage ki orang lah. Kan ni ke obstacle ki orang lah.
Kau pernah lah kan ni articulation hill climb.
Articulation plus hill climb. Keliang spare tayar. Kau lihat mana kau keliang tu ka bodoh tu ka tayar selan lah.
Spare tayar.
Oh spare tayar. Mana perang ikuti abis itu tayar berat.
Itu untuk spare tayar.
Oh basuhan ni.
Badan sekali dia berpindah waktu ni.
Oh okey. Okey. Oi, Odi. Di Pak Francis. Habli emno habra kali sejerong sebut tayar spare.
Alah tayar.
Wah. All the best mah, Pak Francis. City. Hey, volunteer, volunteer!
Ai mà sao chứ ai.
Khoai như thế là đi này thì.
Nó lăn chìm. Tôi đã. Lapin. Jauh ơi.
Ini titrai nang bampor le. Dia nang bam kuai kai semua. Ya, Pikachu still ya. Ini kep slam
Bom kuai đó.
em lại em. Đi kelas mantan lah, ani ingat aktif. Ya. Di. Ini orang Bashnong jangan dikatakan sini.
Ni video orang bahasa.
Shut up and sit down.
Good look.
Yo. Biar. Biar.
Shut up and sit down.
Itu lah Vietnam.
Tayar. Got. Kali aku betul nguan rak sudah. Oh, ni rak sudah.
Boleh dah kak 5, hai. Boleh dah kak 5. Dinosaur. Pai dia berita kat brip setenat. Oh dia berita kat brip setenat. Betul ni apanya. Yo dak mo sibet. Wah, dia ani. Dia kata stage dong ka pro mentan kalau ada nama kadi ka ba ha. Mentah kinan sa kata pedal brake challenge na kamno ni kali badan yang kata pedal brake ontip kemudian kata tambahkan dan sa kata mentang ni kila ya chat ki rukam yang penyat kini gibril eh. Anjak punya.
Point nga ni bro.
1-1 point.
1-1 stock.
Hi guys. Are you guys good to be on the camera?
Yeah.
Okay, so I am cocktail rights, okay?
Okay.
My hands are not free to shake you guys. But then I do run like a small YouTube channel.
Okay.
So I do like motor related channel.
Nice.
So I do motor vlogs. I do anything that relates with rides and drives and all that. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm here like I am supervising food.
Okay.
If you guys need anything regarding food, you can holler at me. Okay. So how do you guys feel like? How do you guys, how do you feel about the terrain so
Okay.
far?
So first, let me introduce ourselves. We are Brahma Floaters from
Yes,
Guwahati.
yes.
So this is our first time in MSCM.
Uh-huh.
We loved it. The track
Uh-huh.
is very different from the other events in Meghalaya,
Uh-huh.
like Ahor and other events.
Uh-huh.
It's very nice. The terrain, we can find it very. It's hard also. It's easy also,
Uh-huh.
depending on the drivers.
Yeah.
But then we loved it.
Okay.
Today's trek, two
Okay.
treks we did.
So who is the driver? The main driver?
I am the driver.
Uh-huh.
He's the co-driver.
He's the co-driver.
of
He's the
Jimny,
driver.
and he's the co-driver of Chalo.
Okay. So you're the driver of which car? The Thar. Okay. So I heard like very expensive noise
Yeah.
earlier today.
Yeah.
So how do you feel about that, bro?
No, that's cool.
It's part of the game, right?
You can see everything.
Okay.
It's part of the game.
Okay.
No worries. But
All good then.
I have a bash plate under the underbody bash plate.
So nothing can be too
Yeah.
critical, nah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like until and unless I go full hard on that rocks, it is safe.
So ever thought of like modifying this to like a semi-modified, like to a pro modified?
Yes. But then first I want to get
Like
the trophy.
you want to get used to
Yeah.
start it from scratch, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
From scratch, I want to grab one trophy from this car.
Mm-hmm.
Then
You will get it, bro.
Thank
You
you.
have my luck, bro.
Thank you.
Not just my luck, bro. All my wishes.
Thank you.
All the best to all of you. Okay.
Thank you. Cheers.
Cheers, bro. Cheers. All good. Okay then.
Thank you.
Okay. Godspeed, everybody. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thanks for coming.
Thank you.
Gitu kita ki Brahma Off-Roaders. Nang blog ni ama. Sampai YouTube mah. Ha? Cocktail rides. Check it. Karang itu siang ang wish luck itu siya bagi Kiwan all the way from Assam Kiwan sini banda ai. Karang ni ka first time tu jong ki play song hi og mentan ki karang mentan dia menta kalau akut ke event dia ke video rumah haban penkut no hang ni hina marba ngate ngade in charge be ya ka food dia ngahaban bunkam no asyi sejaka ba ki apan ba ka bam kadi. As for now, see you guys, adios amigos, bye bye. Kini siya kidang ya yarap yang ban pentek ya kani ka baik kabanganya mga ban penpoi solo nomor bakal kreat plat kalak lingkot tema nyami kamiet nang ni te sakata ya thread ulah kham selan ta saliahi banyilnya lebih nomor ba lah thui am si jan mi te kini siya kidang yarap paya Donald pi ni mi ibha dia katai expulse kan ye pat kajito kias ngili ye na kajito ko to ka pedal brake challenge ka kami so ban peni pisia na marba kamentoy ban peni ka dumpalat and plus ka kiele chat plon kum tu am kali ka pom mentar ban peni menta nyalit sup lit san sala ye. Good night, thank you so much Buffy. Stay tuned ya kan ka video ka ba menta ka ba last lamba san nga klam no nga poi share please ya te khoble shubon. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so, because videos related to riding, driving and all. Cocktail Rides by the name itself. Thank you so much. Signing off. Peace out, Cocktail Rides. Happy New Year.